This Century 21 Brooks Wells Enterprises property video is presented by Donna Gannon. What a nice home for a first-time home buyer or someone that would like to downsize. Located in Westwood on a nice size lot, you will find this smaller cottage with 2 bedrooms, bath, living room, large pantry and full-size laundry area that includes the washer and dryer. The nice-sized kitchen features all new appliances, and the basement also has wonderful storage. Call today. Average, unoccupied, utilities are $57, City of Ashland, water, $34, Columbia Gas, $39, Kentucky Power, electric. For more information, review the details below or contact Donna Gannon at 606-329-8000.